I want to welcome you to North Idaho. We finally got our first kind of big stick snow. We've had a lot of sprinkly snow, but nothing that was too sticky. So I don't know how long it'll last. It's supposed to be cold and cloudy the next few days, so it might last a little while. This might be the start of the permanent snow on the ground. We'll see. I'm standing under a tree so I don't get too wet as I milk. Basically, I milk Beulah kind of tied in this drier area. And then let's see if I can, there's kind of a dry area right here under those trees, and we milk Carla out there. And usually Emma and I take turns, but lately she's been doing Carla and I've been doing Beulah. Those mamas want their babies. Hi, babies.
You ready?
Should have named you Tufty. You got all this tufty hair on you, don't you? Hi, buddy.
Yeah, does that
Yeah, there's no milk coming out of there. Sorry. Hello, little brisket. And see, now all the mamas joined us. Hi, mamas. I know, you miss your babies, don't you? Hi there. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Let's scooch you over, baby girl. Yeah. Good girl. Keep going. There you go. That's my girl. So, I need to hear from you guys what you want to see us doing. Of course, we have our big projects that we show you. But I remember this summer we got a few comments asking, what does Deanna do? Because there was a lot of Brendan projects and not a lot of Deanna projects. And believe me, I do a lot. But a lot of what I do is milk, filter milk, make things out of milk. And every morning when I go to turn on the camera, I feel like, didn't I just video myself milking or filtering milk or making cheese or something? So I feel like I'm just recording the same thing over and over, but different season. Now it's snowing while we milk. Now it's springtime. Now it's raining. Let me know below in the comments what you would like to see from our channel, not just what I'm doing, what Brendan's doing. Do you want to see the normal chores like mucking the stalls, and feeding the animals, and more milking? You know, we're all new to this here. Let's see, I think we've been here 18 months this month. So we've done a lot in that amount of time. We've learned a lot. A lot of the learning we've done is from YouTube. And so we want to be that resource to some of you who may be new to homesteading, or maybe you're not new to homesteading and you just want to laugh at us newbies. But we're just trying to figure it all out. And we've made a lot of mistakes this last year, and we'll probably continue to make mistakes. Of course, we love advice where we can get it, but we also want to show people what it's like to start a new homestead. So let us know in the comments below what kinds of things you want to see new homesteaders doing. We did butcher chickens last week for the first time on our own, and we did not even video it. And I don't know what we were thinking, other than it was a spur of the moment decision, and we just butchered 12 chickens. So we will be butchering some ducks for Thanksgiving. By the time this video comes out, Thanksgiving will already have passed probably. But yeah, we just want to communicate with you and see what you think of new homesteaders. All the goats hiding away. Nobody wants to come out. Here we go. Hi, Bucky. Go on. Good boy. Hi, Almond. Hi, Gemma. We have a couple of our babies back for a little bit visiting. We haven't talked a lot about the goats in a while because we've been so focused on all the cow goings-ons. And so we have 4 goats still barely in milk, and we are keeping one of the babies from last year. We have sold all the other babies. 2 of them are back to breed with our buck. After milking, we'll let the goats out to the lower pasture. Pretty much just free range on the land. There's still enough grass out there for them to forage, so you can save our hay.
That looked pretty scary.
That was amazing. What, like the cow's water? The half of the water barrel? Was that fun?
You see this little Dr. Seuss tree here? That is a ponderosa pine. And in case you're wondering how tall a tree will be before a goat can't eat it, it's right there. That's the max. That's about maybe 5 foot and 6 inches. So if you have goats and you have trees, the ones that are bigger than 5'6" will probably survive. The ones that are not, it's gonna look like that.